Want to promote your YouTube Shorts and reach more viewers? In today's video, we will show you how to create effective YouTube Shorts ads using Google Ads. Let's dive in. First thing first, head over to ads.google.com and click sign in at the top right corner. If you don't have an account yet, click start now to create one. Just sign in with your Google account, fill in your business details and you are good to go. Now that you are logged in, click create campaign and choose either a video action campaign or an app install campaign depending on your goal. If you see an option for Shorts ads under efficient reach selected, this ensures your ads will show up on YouTube Shorts automatically. If that option isn't available, don't worry, just select a campaign goal like sales, leads, or go for a general campaign. Fill in your campaign details like budget, duration, and set YouTube videos as the end location. Next, it's time to choose your bid type. Here are the options. CPV, great for increasing video views. You only pay when someone watches your video. CPA, ideal for campaigns focused on specific actions like purchases or sign-ups. You pay when someone takes that action. CPM, best for brand awareness campaigns. You pay for every 1,000 views even if no one interacts with your ads. Consider using automated bidding for a smoother experience. Google will adjust your bids in real time to meet your campaign goals, whether it's more views, actions, or impressions. Now let's talk targeting. If you have a remarketing list, you can use that to target users who have already engaged with your brand. You can also use YouTube's customer match features to target new, highly relevant audiences. If not, you can still reach your ideal audience by specifying demographic like age, gender, and location. Keep in mind that largest demographic on YouTube Shorts is young, especially male users. Also, don't forget to prioritize mobile users. Most people watch Shorts on their phone, so this will help your ad appear exactly where it counts. Almost there. Upload your video to YouTube Studio and make sure it is in vertical format. That's the standard for Shorts. Once your video is ready, go back to Google Ads and select in-stream skippable ad format or Shorts. Once your video is ready, go back to Google Ads and select in-stream skippable ad format or Shorts if it's available. Add a final URL pointing to a leading page. And don't forget to add a compelling call to action, something that encourages viewers to click or engage with your ads. And that's it. You are now set up to run effective YouTube Shorts ads that will help you reach a dynamic audience. Remember to track your results and adjust your strategy as you go. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your digital marketing.